Today we would like to present you the easiest way to flash the firmware in your 3D printer. This software is intended for 3D printers with 8-bit system boards. The program will let you update your printer firmware to Marlin 2.0 and change the language where necessary. All this is free of charge. Currently we support popular Anet and Ender printers, however Ender 3D printers must have a bootloader on board. This program can only be used for non-modified 3D printers. It means the device must have the original system board and LCD. You need to download the program and install it on your PC. The installation process is typical and we would not waste your time showing it. You can find the download link in the video description. Connect your 3D printer to the PC. Run Flash Wizard. Choose your language. Select I don't have a hex file. Select your 3D printer type. Select firmware. You can select Marlin without AutoBed leveling or original firmware in case you would like to roll back 3D printer to the factory state. Select the language version of your firmware. Select your COM port. Press Flash button. The flash process will start. Do not abort the process. Once start, process must be finished. Disconnecting the cable or power supply source is also not a good idea. The program will inform you about the flash process finish. The 3D printer will restart itself and greet you with the new Marlin version on the LCD. Some firmwares required EEPROM reset. In such case, 3D printer will display special requests on LCD just after a hardware restart. What you're supposed to do if your 3D printer is still not supported or your 3D printer has been rebuilt with a different system board, LCD or maybe even AutoBed leveling system. You can contact us and ask for the special firmware development. We will provide a customized firmware just for your 3D printer configuration. All you need to do is write an email. Email address you can find in the video description. We hope this short video will let you easily and quickly change firmware in your 3D printer. Please leave a comment, likes and subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to click a bell. Soon we will show much more interesting things here. See ya!